Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Metatrader 4. Now this is the app that you'll be using to place your trades. This is just a platform. It's what will be making you your money. Okay, so when you first open the application, this is where you'll be on quotes. Now quotes is where you get to pick a currency pair. So for example, if we're trading an event in Europe, we're going to pick a currency pair that has euros in it. That should be obvious by now. So we'll pick this pair at the top here, Euro USD. Now here where it says spread, that spread is in points. So when you see 20, that's 2 pips. When you see 30, that's 3 pips. When you see 70 or 80, that's in points. You have to convert it to pips, so don't worry about that. Now spread is just the distance between the ask price and the bid price. I'll explain what those are when you talk about the strategies. Now quotes here, if a currency pair is not showing, just come here on the plus and look into the folders that you'll be given here. Then just simply click on it, then it will be added to your quotes. When you go back to quotes, just scroll down and the pair will be here. So that's how you add the new currency pair to your quotes. Then here, this icon here, this is for the chart. This is where you see how far price is moving in real time. This is where you can select the time frame and so on. But for us fundamental traders, this isn't really important. What to be focusing on is this part here. Now for this video, I'm going to be using a demo account just to show you how to place a trade and so on. So when you want to place a trade, let's say for Euro USD, we're going to select the pair, then come here new order. To see the chart, just click open chart here. But we want to place an order, so we're going to select new order. So we're going to click that. Then this part here, this is where we actually place the trade. So there's instant execution, that's the type of order that you can place. Then there's buy limit, there's sell limit, there's buy stop and sell stop. All these are different types of trades that you can place using this platform here. Then the numbers below that, these numbers here, this is where you enter the lot size. So lot size is just quantities of currency that you want to trade with. Then the numbers below that, this number here, that one is called the bid price. Then the one on the right is called the ask price. If you can take a look, this number is the same as this number here. Like you can see when it changes, that number changes as well. Then this number on the right here, that's called the ask price. That's the price at which orders will be placed when you're buying. When you're selling, orders will be placed at the bid price. So the difference between these two, that's called the spread. It's this distance here. That's called the spread. That's how brokers make their money. That's why when you first place a trade, it will first be in red. Then when price moves and becomes profitable, it will turn blue. Now the parts below these prices here, this part here, this is for the stop loss. As you can see, there's a red line here. That's for a stop loss. Then the one next to the stop loss, that's called the take profit. This is for a take profit, the one that has a blue line here. Now deviation isn't really important, so I'm going to ignore it. Now as you can see, when we're in instant execution, we're only given the lot size, the price, and stop loss and take profit. But when we select something like buy stop, we're given more options. So there'll be a lot, there'll be the prices, there'll be price, and there'll be stop loss and take profit. As you can see, price has now been included. Now a buy stop is what tells your broker to execute a trade for you in the future. Now a buy stop tells your broker to execute a trade for you only after price goes above this price here. That's above this price here, that's the ask price. A sell stop is the opposite. So when you select sell stop, you're telling your broker to execute a trade for you only after price goes below this price here. It can't be above, it must be below this price here, the bid price. Now as you can see, for buy stop and sell stop, there's price inclusive. Now price is why you're telling your broker to enter the trade for you. So in this course, I'm only going to be showing you how to use instant execution, buy stop, and sell stop. I'm not going to show you how to use buy limits or sell limits, otherwise I don't have any strategies that are based on that. So yeah, this is how you place a trade. After you enter your information there, just click place and your trades will be placed. So there's quotes, there's the chart, there's this part where you can see your profits and losses fluctuate in real time. For example, if we come here, then we sell, you'll be able to see how much you're making or losing in real time and so on. This part here, that's for history. As you can see, the balance is 100,000 and so on. If we deposited money, to show us deposit. If we withdrew money, to show us withdrew money. Or if we close the trade, like for example, if I close this one, and go to our history, it's going to reflect there. Yeah, so that's what this part is for. Then the next one is news, then there's messages. These two aren't really important. Now I just want to show you guys how to close a trade. So if we sell and we want to close this trade here, this is a position, it's currently active. Now if you want to close it, we have to slide it to the left, then this panel will appear, then we click the circle with the check inside. We click on it, then we'll be brought to this part. This is like a confirmation page. Then if you're sure you want to close the trade, just click close with loss and your trade will be closed. You can't reverse it when that screen pops up. So yes, this is how we use Metatrader 4. Then if you want to link an account, you just slide it to the right here, or click the 3 lines there, that's for menu. Then you're able to see quotes, charts, trade history, mailbox, and so on. So if you want to link an account, just come here on manage accounts, then click the plus, log into an existing account, then search for a broker, and so on. And if you want to open a demo account, just click open a demo account, then select that, then fill in your information and click create account. That's how easy it is to open a demo account. Alright, so this is how we use Metatrader 4. The parts I've showed you, those are the most important parts that you need to know.